Can a mattress be so good that you buy two? Can a mattress be so good that you move it between states? Can a mattress be so good that it's hard to sleep in hotels after sleeping on it? Well, I'm going to be reviewing my Nectar mattress. I've had it for 4 years. I will go over the pros and cons of this mattress, and I'll share any secret tips that I have. So this is my mattress. I haven't uncovered the whole bed. I took a lot of blankets off for this, but I didn't want to undo the whole bed and then make it again because I already made it once this morning. Anyway, so like I said, I've had this mattress 4 years. I originally lived in another state when I bought this mattress, and it was just overnight. It was so comfortable. I love this mattress so much. It's soft to the touch. You could see I'm pressing down with all my body weight, and then it just puffs back. Okay, so it's very comfortable. There are no springs. It is kind of heavy. In fact, this is a king, and so when we were moving this, we were moving between states, and the question was, do we want to get all of the space that a king mattress takes up? Do we want to use that in our pod? We were using a pod to move. And do we want to have all that weight in it? And we ended up saying yes, we wanted to, because this mattress was so good. The downside, so I was living in Vegas at the time, and the mattress I noticed is hotter than some other mattresses. So that is the only downside I found to this, is that it is hotter. And so we typically have lighter blankets. So we have just the cover sheet, and then we have another sheet, and then we have a blanket, just a thin blanket that we put on. And that's usually enough. We have other little blankets. I have a pile right here that I took off. And we will lay them sort of in the middle and then pull them on or take them off us as needed based on the time of year. But this mattress is a little warm. That is the only downside, but it's so comfortable. My wife and I travel a lot for work and for just for vacations we take. And so we probably spend like 40 nights a year in hotels, and we have for about a decade. And so, we've stayed in so many hotels. Typically we stay in Marriott's because we have a discount. I won't go into that, but what happened is those Marriott beds were so comfortable when we first started sleeping in them that it was easier to sleep in the hotel than it was at home. However, once we got this, now it's the exact opposite. Whenever we go to a hotel, we have a horrible night's sleep, and we get here and it's just such good sleep. It's high quality. We sleep through the night. And so we kept this mattress. We prefer this mattress so much that we needed a second mattress because we were living temporarily in an apartment for a while, and we couldn't have this. And so when we had to get a new mattress, what was our option? Well, we could have chosen anything, but our first choice was to get a queen size Nectar mattress. And so that was the obvious choice. Now, when you get it, it does come in, it's like rolled up. So it's like a tight roll. It's the full length of a king bed, but it's this big roll. So it's pretty heavy. You have to slice it down. Be careful not to cut the mattress. And then you have to leave it out for like a couple hours or something so that it can expand and everything. I think you could sleep on it before then. But usually we've always got it in the afternoon. And so we open it up, we slice it with a box cutter, the plastic, take it off, and then we just leave it up against a wall until it's bedtime. And then we sleep on it and it's fine. But they are pretty heavy. That's another thing to keep in mind. These are pretty heavy. They do look really nice. They're so comfortable. When you jump on them, so we have a 4-year-old, she'll jump on the bed. She can't jump as high as on a spring mattress, so keep in mind, you're not going to be able to do as aerial of acrobatics as you could on a spring mattress. But having said that, when she lands, it's a lot softer than on the spring mattress. So that's another positive here. And one secret tip that I've learned over the years is, you can see here there is a little bit of a stain. I'm not sure what that's from, but this cannot be washed. So there's a zipper. Oops. There's a zipper here on the bottom. I don't know where the starting point is of the zipper. So you can take this off. I'm not entirely sure why it's there to take off. It's probably just for the factory. But once you take it off, I think it voids the warranty. And then the problem is you can't wash it in the washing machine. I did take this off before I found that. And so I was about to wash it, but it says do not wash in the washing machine. Use a steam cleaner, and I just have never gotten around. It's been such a low priority to clean the spot that I just haven't gone around to it. So that is another, it's maybe a downside or a secret tip, is if you need to clean your mattress, then you have to steam clean it. So keep that in mind. When I did take this off, I had to put it back on, and it was really hard to get back on. I needed my wife to help me to actually get it back on. So that's another experiential thing that I learned that will hopefully save you time. But this is a great mattress. Anytime someone asks me what mattress they should get, I always say Nectar. And if I ever have to buy a mattress in the future, it will be a Nectar as well. So that's about all I have to say. I get great sleep on this, and I love it so much. But I hope this was helpful to you, and thank you for watching.